Hello everyone, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. As you can see here, I'm going to make a quick dish. This is going to deal with angel hair pasta. I'm going to add some of these beautiful peppers, an onion. I have here some sesame seed oil and some soy sauce. Alright, so what I'm going to do is cut the peppers. I normally cut them in half like this. Then I'm just going to open them like this. And then the seeds, I'm just going to take out the seeds. This one doesn't have many seeds in it. Just pop that out like that. Pop that in the trash there. Pop out all the seeds. Take out the seeds. Then I'm just going to go ahead and slice them. I want them to be pretty large. I don't need them to be that small. But this is more of like a, if you think of it like a pasta with kind of like a stir fry in a way. So this is a nice size. I'm going to cut it in half once because I want bite-sized chunks. Same thing with this one. I bought different colors because I wanted to have a colorful dish here for myself. I don't usually buy a lot of peppers all the time, but this time I wanted to do something different. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the red one and this yellow one the same way, cleaning out all of the seeds. Then we're gonna pop this all in the frying pan. But yeah, you can do this just like this. Very quick and easy. Doesn't take much skill to do this. You can do this very simple dish. And I think everyone should enjoy this dish actually. I mean, the sesame seed oil has a nice little Asian influence. And I do like it. I didn't know that I would, but after trying the sesame seed oil in another dish I made, I was like, oh, I actually like sesame seed oil. So I actually decided to use it in this dish today. So we're on to the yellow. And then with the magic of video and editing, this is how I turn from this one to this. Going to use a half an onion. Put that to the side there. And just cut it in half. Take off the sides here. And like I said, I'm still going to make this into bite-sized chunks as well. Did you know, which I did not know this, but onions give you tears. Causes tears in your eyes if you cut around a lot of onions. So by rinsing it off, you actually can reduce that effect by rinsing the onion before you cut it. So interesting. I did not know that. But I found that out when I did, and I do that sometimes when I remember to do it. Like now I did, and yeah, it isn't burning my eyes too bad. Okay, while you're cutting your vegetables, you can start your boiling water like I did. In this pan, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. This pan, I'm going to turn the heat to about medium-high. Add some extra virgin olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like. I just like using extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add my vegetables. I put them all in the strainer here. I'm going to pour them all in here. Let this start to cook. As you can see, I like that sizzle. All right, so you can give the vegetables a stir. And you're going to let them sweat for about 10 to 15 minutes. For my pasta, I'm going to use Barilla. I really like this pasta. So you have to watch angel hair pasta because it's not like spaghetti, which I don't really buy a lot. I don't buy a lot of spaghetti. I like angel hair pasta. And as you can see, I'm going to watch it because it does cook al dente perfection in 4 to 5 minutes. Now, normally for pasta, I don't measure anything out. I just go by how much am I going to eat. And I know I'll have leftovers with this because it's a lot of vegetables. What I do is lay it out like a fan. Like that, and then put a little bit more. Like that. I'm just going to fan it out, and this hot water is going to make all of this sink down into the water. So there's no need to break it because this water has been boiling and ready to go. You could add a little pinch of salt as well in it so that it can stop it from any possible caking together. But that'll be in the water in about a few seconds here. With the peppers, you can see how brown they got. they are ready to go. I love the char on the vegetables. That is so yummy. So these are ready to go. So I'm going to turn down the temperature and wait for my pasta, and then we'll finish this dish. Now we're just going to strain all of our angel hair pasta. Ooh, that's smoky. Put this pasta right over in our green peppers and onions. I probably have to switch out my spoon to really toss this, but that oil, the olive oil, is going to work its magic to keep the pasta separated and spread out. Okay, looks like I'm doing okay. This is a non-stick pan, so I don't want to put any kind of metal pan. Now the next part of this dish is all about you, how you want to flavor it. So I'm going to use some of my Badia seasoning. Go ahead and sprinkle that over here. Okay, and then again, I'm going to add some sesame seed oil. You do not need a lot of the sesame seed oil, so just go by your taste. Shaking it over like this. Okay, and then I'm using some soy sauce. Pinches here, and then I have tongs here that are great for non-stick pans, and I'm just going to start mixing it up, mixing all my stuff together, my ingredients, all my seasonings, the soy sauce, the sesame seed oil, the rest of that extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use this plate here. Plate. Top. We have plenty of leftovers for me. Alright guys, thank you for spending time with me as I made my dinner tonight. I hope you are eating something that nourishes your body as well. And I'll talk to you guys soon on the next video. God bless you.